Hello students, I appreciate the efforts you put into doing the homework. Really praiseworthy. Yes, students, hope you all are ready with your English textbook. Please open page 11. In our previous class, we have discussed about the king approaching a hermit for the solutions to his questions. Isn't it? Now, we saw that in the last slide yesterday that the hermit saying, here's someone coming. So if you have read the textbook, you will know who it was. Now let's see who it was. It was a bearded man with a wound in his stomach who came running towards the king, and he faints. And the king dresses his wounds and makes him feel better. Later, he gives some water and takes him into the hermit's hut with the help of the hermit. It gets late in the night and the king was tired. He sleeps on the floor the whole night. And the next morning, when he wakes up, he feels like he's in a trance. Where is he? Then the bearded man wakes up before him and, to his surprise, was asking the king for his forgiveness instead of thanking him. Now the king was wondering, why is this bearded man apologizing to me? Now the bearded man confesses to the king, saying that he is the one who killed his brother and seized his property. And with that, he wanted to take revenge on the king, and he was waiting for him at the forest when the king would be returning home. So what does this bearded man do? He was waiting, no? Then he comes across the king's bodyguard. And what does the king's bodyguard do? He wounds him. And that's how he gets the wound in his stomach. Now, the bearded man feels very grateful and expresses his gratitude, saying that I'm very thankful to you that you have dressed my wounds, and from now on I want to serve you as your faithful servant. Now the king feels very happy that he has made peace with his enemy, and he also promised that he would return the property. That was very nice situation, isn't it? Now the king he leaves the wounded man like that only, and the king go and looks for the hermit, wishing to know the answers to his questions. Now the hermit was busy sowing seeds in the beds that were dug the previous day. The king once again asked the hermit, can you please give me the answers for the 3 questions? The hermit says, you have been answered. Now the king was in shock, like, when did you answer me? What do you mean by saying that you have been answered? Then the hermit says, if you have not pitied my weakness and dug those beds, that bearded man might have attacked you. So that was the most important time. And when you were digging the beds and you were helping me, so I was the most important man at that time, or the important person at that time. So that was me. And the most important thing you did was you did a good. And what was that good you did? You have dressed the bearded man's wounds. So now the king learnt a lesson and also got answers for the 3 questions. Students, just check the last slide. You will get better clarity of the answers for the king's 3 questions. So the most important time is now, and the most important person is the person with whom you are at that particular moment. And what is the most important thing to do is doing good. Students, so we have completed the explanation part of textbook lesson 1, 3 questions. As it is a lengthy lesson, we had to do it in 3 parts. Please read the textbook for better understanding of the lesson. Children, will you note down your homework? Please refer textbook page 14, comprehension check. In the next lesson, or in the next class, sorry, I will be posting the notes for lesson 1. Thank you.